FXBros.
What's up? What's up? We have another entry for sales. New order. What's up, y'all? How we doing? How we doing? We are live. We are live. Market went straight to the number we was talking about earlier on live, 65.12, and we starting to get reverses from that. So we got a gap we can fill up to 65.08, and there's another one up near 65.12. And we might look to add. See if we can get in an early sell position based off this news. Just had news just came out not too long ago. Let me see. Go to calendar. Yeah, ADP came out positive for the USD. No, it's negative. I mean, previous was 371. The actual is 177. So we're losing on the employment change. It should be a high number. Is this, according to ADP, National Employment Report, non-farm private employment? Are we on? Yeah, we on. Non-farm private employment in the United States is being monitored. Higher than expected should be bullish. So we had a lower number, so we should be bearish, which would make the market increase. That's why we got our big push. As soon as the market released, news release, we had this big push up right here. 8:30. It's when the news release, 7:30. And then the market going crazy. So yeah, we go. Monitor this. See how these entries work out for sales. 5 minute probably ain't built enough structure yet. Yeah, we still creating situations on the 5. But the 1 minute is definitely setting up, showing us early indication. The 1 hour, yeah. I think we're going to get another bullish 1 hour candle, and then that one's going to get engulfed. That's going to be our bearish engulfing. I highly doubt we engulf this candle here. Not only that, we ain't going to be no engulfing, it's going to be a sandwich. Just the way this one was. It was a bop engulfing. Call that sandwich like a bop engulfing to the downside. Yes, sir. So we're going to talk about the shift in the market because I believe early in the week, or Tuesday, I know I was playing into sales that early Tuesday morning, thinking we were going to get continuation. But the fact that we didn't get it and we turned around and went bullish, I caught the bullish move because we swept lows. Now, what I got tricked into thinking this was going to be a high meeting an old high and reversing, which typically happens and which did happen. So I caught some good entries, but couldn't hold through. I had an opportunity to get out on this wick, but I was not looking at my phone at 9 o'clock, which that's a fault of mine. If you're going to be trading any type of quick entries. You gotta always keep your charts by you, whether it's a laptop or phone, just so you can check on, get you a little heat check of the market, see where we at, what we doing. Are we taking out highs? Are we consolidating? And even though this was kind of a lot of consolidation noise, but it was still hitting bearish. But the fact that we never broke this long extension wick, which was probably some kind of news or something at 9 o'clock, 8 o'clock on Tuesday, we never broke that wick. And we tapped into an old 5-minute gap that we could pull up. That's why I had that box right there. That was signs that the bulls might be here, especially after this large push up from this rejection, because I feel like we could have dug deeper into that rejection, like for sure, taking out this little structure like completely, which we kind of did as far as sweeping a daily low, previous daily low. But we didn't tap into the 50% of the zone. So that was another reason. If we were not even touching that zone, then maybe that's how much control the bulls had. And that's how much lower the market needed to be for them to add into their buy position. And as we can see, the news just continued to push higher, whether that was Tuesday morning's news. And this was where we are now. Wednesday morning news. Nice bullish reaction. Took out strong resistance. I could easily see a target of 64.86 for sales. It's just all about how we enter into these sales. It's a stupid question. And not only that, going to the high time frame, let's see on the 4-hour, did we get a bullish engulfing? Yes, we did. Right here at that Tuesday bounce, 9 to 1 o'clock in the morning. That's all you need right there, 64.61. Nice buying opportunity. And a nice area for you to add once it retraced back to that. So that was sweet. Like I said, this was news that dropped all the way down. So you could add it on that 5-minute gap down here. Just the fact that it didn't create any lower structure like the wicks. This is the only wick that got tested. And the reason why, because it's a small body anyway. That's like a doji. So that was some kind of, that's a reversal signal candlestick pattern. And you get a large bullish push followed by a doji or a pin bar of some sort. So that was a good situation to realize that we may be reversing back bearish for a retest, but not so much of a reversal. And as the market played out, we continued to rise higher. And this is all based off the bullish engulfing that we got below the previous weekly zone. Let's see, how much did we get for the 1 hour? That's the thing. We ain't get a lot of bullish engulfings on the 1 hour. We had this one. This one would have been sweet butter. We would have got it, but it did not print out. On Friday during Monday. Yeah, just important areas. Like I said, this was 50% level. That was an important area. This was sweeping the daily low. That was an important area. So that's basically it. And then also following the daily, we had a daily engulfing here on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So Monday to start out the week with a nice retest down. So yeah, that was sweet. Swept that low. Turned up. So now we're gonna watch the smaller time frames, which is 1 minute, to see if and when how we look to add around. Be nice to get a strong little bullish push to 65.12. I'm gonna add in right there. just gonna set up my entry, man. Oh, fuck. No. Yeah, somewhat. I'm still good though. I've been picking up a lot of kids from 6 to like 7.
Drop them off at school.
Yeah, the earlier ones be like little kids picking them up, dropping them off at football practice at their little middle schools and high schools and shit. Yeah. It'd be like, it's a Uber Teen.
Uber Teen?
Yeah, it's a new service.
Oh, they just let you do that?
Well, I guess they let the people that have been doing good, like not no new person, but the people that have been driving for some time, you can pick up teenagers.
Wow.
Without parental supervision.
They already, I guess they just assumed they did an extensive background check on you.
Right, and I've been driving for all these miles and ain't had no death threat type of complaints. So
no sexual harassment.
No sexual harassment, none of that shit. So they good with that. But it's crazy because it's like the actual teenager's account. Like it's not their mom's name or some shit.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so that's weird. They actually gave these like 12-year-old, 13-year-olds, like they got accounts and shit.
Good morning, Sheila. How are you? Yeah, I see that. I was like, pulling up papers up. Yeah, I can give it to you. And so what I'll do is you can take care of your regular option balance, and then I'll have to send you a separate invoice through my Square for the shipping and handling of the test.
Still looking for market to go as high as 65.12 to add more to my sell position. So we just waiting for that, y'all. And while we wait, let's put on some tunes so we can get it popping. You know what I mean?
Half zip sweatshirt on big sale. Only for
Timu going crazy. And it's gonna be somebody after them watch. Need to tap into the area, reject. We'll add to these cells, see if we get some more selling pressure. It'd be nice to hit that up was around the 30-minute, the second half of the hour. We come into the first half close in 6 minutes. So that'd be nice to hit it on that second half. It'll show better on the 30-minute time frame. Come on, baby. It's trying to go to our entry. I already got a sell stop in place. 65.12. So as soon as we tap into there plus the spread, we should get triggered. If not, I'll just have to probably manually enter. If I see a nice strong rejection. Okay, I'll be right back. We're gonna monitor this though. I'll be right back.
the phone on my chest. And go back to sleep. Because I knew you was gonna call me and my vibrate would get. Yeah. Yeah. What I have right now is two items. One item is package two. One is package one time. Right? So I'm gonna, yeah. Yeah. I put it in some of them. But I'm going to buy it. And then I have like a bunch of pieces that need to be laid out, and lots to lay out. But I think the best thing is for us to go through for us. They actually work do this here. I know. And then we actually see the pictures. I just try to box it up and then let it get a couple water. So I'll get it off the phone. I'm gonna have them wait here, right?
It's the art.
The art, right? And then I'm gonna stand it, put it in the on there. Okay, everybody's gonna stand by waiting for it. Okay. Other people, the other people feel like that they where it's waiting, they can't, they're like, wait. So, and we got art, we got. Right. Yeah.
Oh, and what do we have? Sweet buttery entries. That's what we have. Market tapped us right into our entry. Amazing. Let's see if we continue with a bearish trend after that. That would be awesome. That would be super awesome. Let's see what the 5 minute look like. Do we have enough candles? Yes, so we can watch this. We'll watch the 5. Watch the 5. I like the rejection on the 5. Nice little body. I ain't trying to find trades or find confirmations, but the candle somewhat did engulf it. If you look at the wicks, the body did, obviously, but I'm just saying. But we're gonna keep an eye on it, man. I'm not gonna get excited. That is a great entry, though. That is a great entry. It'll be nice to break back under 65 flat. Break back into the 64.90s, under the 64.90s would be nice.
You gotta follow me everywhere I go. Go get in your bed. That means that's on my left. In my first break, I need to go get my makeup because this is a video interview.
Oh shit! I'm serious.
Yeah, and then I submitted all my stuff for Office Depot. Basically, they said they're gonna be sending me stuff, taking vouchers and stuff, so I can just go to the store and use and video myself like, yeah, I got this awesome Office Depot. Oh my god.
Oh, you gonna be one of them girls.
Like, look at what I'm using to ship.
They're gonna to be Friday. Then you gonna have Kellogg's. Oh, you have a daughter? Send her fucking LOL shit. Y'all better be celebrities. It's all gonna pop up.
Like for my price tag. Hey guys.
Hey, do you have to do this on a certain platform?
They want it on Instagram and Facebook.
Nice.
Mm-hmm. And so, yeah, that's gonna be interesting.
Nah,
but you remember when I was telling you we can start doing stuff like that.
Y'all thinking it's going back up for a second entry? We're going higher. What are we doing? What are we doing? Let's see. Two. Like we're gonna take out the highs. If we take out the highs, might be going to hit our stop loss. But, we got 65.26. So let's put that up. Oops. If we do see volume, it's going to push extremely past the recent highs and probably tower past 65.25, 26. And these sales will be invalid. Just like that. That's how we trade. Certain trades don't work out. And if we look at the 1 hour, we see even deeper. Yeah. We are coming up to 8 minutes. So just like I said, this next hour could be the hour to give us that bearish engulfing. If we see some more bearish trending back lower. So we did break that high. Like I said, we 8 minutes. So let's see how the market reacts. We're going to push to the 20s in a rapid fashion. 8 minutes left into this hourly close. Let's watch it on 5 minutes. Here we go, that big bullish extension I was talking about. I know that volumes are coming sooner or later. Looks like the Bulls got more play right now, so it's about to probably be a loss. And we'll be done for the morning. Guess it's too much negative news. Then we just have positive news. With the goods trade balance. But that's a higher number. That ain't positive. Need to be. That's fake news. 30 seconds left on this 5-minute candle. Put a bullish close on that candle. I'm gonna wrap this live up at 9:30, guys. Yeah, the bulls fighting. They fighting. They don't want that sell. They want to go higher. They fighting any type of bears when they come in. I see it. I see it. I see the fight. Gotta wait to fill. We got volume. This would be a nice setup for a nice, extremely bullish candle. Go ahead and hit our stop loss. They are fighting that shit. Every time the bears try to step in, the bulls just take it right back up. I mean, what was this candle to? This candle was 9:45, so that took us out into the hour, near highs, and some power. We're halfway through this 5-minute candle. Let's see if this bearish. We're trying to entice sellers at the top. Do a nice little sandwich if we were to close bearish and turn right back up, but these bulls are not letting them have it. They're showing people early. Last 30 seconds. Bear said nope. The bull said nope. Get your ass back up there. Five-minute close. Bearish engulfing up the sweep of the high. Will it get tested? I don't think the bulls came as far to be played with. I think for sure we getting tested. Might even get stopped out. It's too much momentum. They're not gonna let it have this easy. If they wanted to flip, they got a tank. They got a tank on all these buyers, unless they're gonna give them 1-1 enticing. They gotta completely flip right now. But I do not think the bulls are gonna let them have that easy. I think we're gonna go back up, back into the 65.20s. That's a nice little rejection, and we may get more selling pressure from there. But I don't know. I don't think they're gonna let it have it. Yeah, we're definitely going back up. New York Stock Exchange open. Definitely going up before we go down. Approaching 1 minute left. We go end live at 9:30, folks, regardless what happens. I'll monitor it in the chat. Approaching 30 seconds left. they give us another bearish candle, we're definitely gonna engulf it. I just don't see the bulls giving up that easy. Ooh, nice bush engulfing out the gap fill. Oof. It's a hard one to fight. I'm not gonna cap. That's a hard one to fight. It broke structure too. Basically, this whole gap right here from this bullish push up that broke this little minor structure, we got that whole gap that we just tapped into. So yeah, this is what the bulls wanted. A deep enough sell to add into it. We're 5 pips away from where the market rejected from last time, so. Just at 2.5. We already engulfed that whole move. Just like that. Excuse me. Oh, they're going straight there. No play. Last minute for this 5-minute candle closes. 30 seconds. Ten seconds. 5 seconds. Nice bullish engulfing. Projected the 18s, not the 20s. So we still got more bullish movement. We can push higher. Still probably potentially attack our stop loss. Now that we got this bullish engulfing out that 5-minute gap that also broke structure. It's gonna be a hard entry to go against the fade. You know, so even though in hindsight, knowing now, all this rejection from this price is coming from a weekly zone. 65.12 area. That's their weekly zone of resistance. So that's why the bears are giving them as much pressure as they are, instead of doing it at 65 flat like the psychological number. Pushed up that extra 15 pips just because when we was looking at the weekly, we saw that. That's the only reason why I took this entry. Let's believe I was in bias, but I got out around 65. I think 65.08 or some shit like that. I got out. But if it stops us out and goes higher, I'm gonna be like, okay, let me quit trying to find a top until I get a 1 hour engulfing, which, if we look, we have not gotten yet. And that was a sign. No, we got them here, actually. We did get them here. And that one took out that structure. This one broke back below the whole yearly low, but now we're above the yearly low. What would be ideal, just based on what happened, the fact that we took out, we hesitated here, took out these highs, went to that weekly zone. What would be ideal is we get a 1 hour engulfing bearish, and we sell into all this clean traffic. Potentially use this power to break this and continue through this clean traffic and really be done with this old yearly low. I mean, we got a new yearly low now, but we're breaking back above the old yearly low, so that would be ideal. But we're not here to be ideal. We're here to make money. Simple as that. One minute left for the 5-minute candle. And we got 10 minutes left. Let's look at the 15-minute. 10 minutes left, and we're gonna wrap the live up. Watch this go start turning around 7:30. Because that's halfway through this 15-minute candle. I bet you anybody. Watch. Let's go tank and entice sellers and turn right back up. And let's go prove that it's all timed algorithms. And here we go. Trying to take out the 15-minute structure, nigga. What the hell? That bitch tiggity tanking. Bro, if it breaks 65, that might be it. Last 5 minute candle. Let's see how it's gonna look. What's the 98? Will it break past 98 and then 93? Trying to hit that bitch. 98 too. Pushing 2:30 on the time for the last 5 minutes. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Just hit the 2:30 mark. Let's see if we gonna get a close below these wicks. It could push as high as back to 65.035. Just so they won't close above these wicks. Close below the wicks. Got 1 minute left. All time frames. $1 million left. Here we go. Just like I said, they want to go get us. They want to go let us. Shit, it's going to go back about the bodies. Already up here. Got 30 seconds left. You can't do it. You did all this, bulls. What y'all going to do? What kind of confirmation y'all about to give us? 30 seconds left. Bodies are up. Like they're not going to give us the bodies. 15 seconds left. Oh. I just closed below that wick. Fully engulfed it. Alright, y'all. We're going to monitor this in the chat. See how the market plays out. Who knows? The bulls may want to retest this all the way back up to these entries. The bears did show something right now. 30-minute, 15-minute. 15-minute didn't close below them bodies. That's a major sign. So yes, we definitely going back up. Definitely going back up to retest. We did not get a close below the structure on the 15-minute. What about the 5? Same thing, no close. Let's see if we, that structure point is 65.036. We get a 5 or a 15. 45. We still working on that. In the 1 hour, still working on that. And that is, so we can't get back up to 65.09 to try to test this 1 hour engulfing. So be cautious that the market can't run back up to 65.09. It may want to go higher too. But we're gonna monitor this in the chat, man. We'll holler at y'all tomorrow in the AM around 8 o'clock till we get back to our 7 a.m. schedule. All right, y'all. Peace out.